Welcome back to the channel. We start another adventure and depart in the wee hours of the morning for a 4-day trek to the Caprivi Strip in northeastern Namibia. It's a good 2,000 plus kilometer journey. Day 1 takes us 680 kilometers to the Namibian border, where we rest along the lush banks of the Orange River and climatize to our new camping regime. There have been good rains this season and the Orange River is full, almost bursting its banks. The fish eagle calls in the background, and it's the first call of the wild that we have been craving.
And it's time to just shake off the city and get cracking on the big trip.
How full is the river?
We've seen it full over the years, but this is like super full. This area in the front here is usually just reeds and birds, and now it's just water.
We depart the next day and take a shortcut through the border town of Noordhoek to get to the Great North Road of Namibia. Open road.
She's wide open road.
Not a single car in sight.
Not at the moment.
Oh, it's amazing. Roads are quiet. And we just got miles and miles of tar ahead of us. Oh, it's beautiful. I wish you were here.
Yep. Yeah. Where we come from and where we're going?
So yesterday we made our way up to the border, to the Orange River, which was a 680 kilometer journey. We're on day 2 now. 3 more days to go to get to Caprivi, and each of those days are going to be long stretches. So today we're doing about, I think it's 580 kilometers, which is more than enough.
And it's awesome.
Yeah, the scenery down in southern Namibia, the vast open spaces are just mind-blowing.
It almost looks like wetlands at the moment.
Yeah, there's actually grasslands, and then you have, they've obviously had a lot of rain in Namibia. Because we're seeing different plagues. Last time we came, we saw the Kurung Creek plague.
Yeah, what explain to us what a Kurung Creek is like.
So it's somewhere between a locust and a cricket and a cockroach, and they are cannibalistic, and when one gets squished on the road, it attracts others.
It's like a zombie.
It's like a zombie apocalypse, these things. But this time round, we've got red locusts that migrate in sort of patches together, safety in numbers. They all group. It's like a super group that crosses the road.
And then it's a super crush as the car goes over it.
And it looks like red paint across the road. And there are sections where on the road that are very concentrated.
Oh. So it's nice. This time we're travelling a little differently. We're travelling with our friends, which is also nice.
Yes, we're going to catch up. We're playing catch up. You can see the highway. They're coming from up there. Sending you some love here.
Oh, it smells nice. Sweet.
The open road is a way of exposing ourselves to perchance meetings that may not have happened if we stayed home. The sense of the bush, the way light changes as the day unfolds, and most of all, the unknown. The unfamiliar is that feeling of a sinuous snake in your belly and pins and needles in your skin. It's not discomfort, more a feeling of excitement and anticipation. And when the sun sets, the day is done, and the flames of the fire lick wildly at the night sky. Our minds take flight. It's time to kick back and relax, contemplate the journey, where we've been, what we've seen, and what still lies ahead. Good morning. The sun has just risen. I'm standing here on top of a red dune in the Kalahari, and it's beautiful. I was up at the crack of dawn and I saw the stars still. We're going to be taking on a journey north up to the Caprivi. It's day 2 now. It's magnificent here. It's really, really beautiful. Flies have woken up as well, so that's all part of it, I suppose. And the mosquitoes have gone to sleep. So, yeah, we're going to be in for another big day of driving, going through Windhoek and further north to Mount Echo. So, yeah. Stay with us and follow the journey. classic picnic spot in Namibia, but we're going to have some leftovers and some nice coffee. Let me show you what we're doing.
Leftover penne from last night.
Yeah, avocado and coffee brewing there over there. We're nearly there.
Looks more like a diplodocus. We have nothing to fear. And I got my husband gesticulating wildly at me. Why aren't you filming yourself? Why? Check it out! Camp all set up, tent is ready.
We are already by the dam full of bobbejane. When we arrived it was had about 100 baboons and
this is going to be the view that we wake up to.
so it grows in termite hills. I didn't bring my...
But you know what? This is all sounding more and more familiar.
Didn't bring my mushroom brush.
Tell us a bit about our amazing mushroom.
So it's been cleaned by my very capable assistant, Madame Boom Shaka Shaka. What's your name again?
Bumpy Doo.
You
You call me Boom Shakalaka Bumpy Doo. It just gets more interesting.
Well, the name changes as the night progresses.
As the gin and tonics progress.
Exactly.
Okay.
And then just fried in butter.
Okay. And
Salt and pepper.
so you kept him whole.
Keep them whole.
Beautiful.
30 centimeters, eh?
It's big.
That's huge, man.
Yeah, this is going to be a very interesting experiment.
Because I've never eaten it. We've always heard about it. We've always read about it.
I mean, it's not like a porcini, for example.
No.
It's-
And remember, if you like this channel, what do you have to do?
You have to like and
Subscribe.
please.
Please.
We value your
Support.
subscriptions. And
We feel the
support.
love. And it's a free way to support us.